Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, the summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on.
Allora, 2 latte macchiati. Qua. Siamo a capo, tutto. Quelle grandi oggi? Sì, quelli grandi no, però quei piccoli mi servono da mandare di là.
Sì.
Ah, ok.
The cathedral's 5 broad naves, divided by 40 pillars, are reflected in the hierarchic openings of the facade. The nave columns are 24.5 meters high, and the apsidal windows are 20.7 by 8.5 meters. It's a brick building, faced with marble from the quarries which Gian Galeazzo Visconti donated in perpetuity to the cathedral chapter. St. Bartholomew's statue shows the saint carrying his own flayed skin thrown over his shoulders like a stole. Milan Cathedral is the seat of Archbishop of Milan, a masterpiece of artwork and architecture, and it has enormous historical significance. The Museum of the Cathedral has 26 exhibition rooms, house the works of art originally from both the Duomo and the historic storerooms of Veneranda Fabrica, organized chronologically to show all the cathedral's construction stages, from its foundation in 1386 to the 20th century.